right, we are ready for the ride and drive here at ACT Expo in the next generation T680E. Here at ACT Expo 2025, we have two awesome trucks in the ride and drive. I'm here in the T680E, and this is a 4-string or 200-mile battery pack configuration. This truck has incredible visibility and technology features that make it absolutely the world's best. From the digital vision mirror system, which you can see right here, helping see everything you could possibly want to see, to everything about the 8-panel and the cockpit with the smart wheel. This truck is just a dream to drive, and I hope you get to experience it here at ACT Expo. We're gonna hop out next and drive along in the T880E. We're out here in the industry's first all-electric Class 8 work truck. Specifically, this is a dump truck behind me on this T880E. This truck drives like a dream, but it still has all the vocational features you'd expect from a Kenworth work truck, like lift axles. I've got a PTO gauge. These are my dump body controls down here as well. Everything's super accessible, really comfortable, and perfect for a work truck cockpit.